When my friends and I first found out about YouTube, I remember thinking, I wonder what rap music sounds like in a foreign language. After a bit of searching, we stumbled across this video called Gemüseeintopf, which is these two German guys rapping about making vegetable soup, or Gemüseeintopf.
Gemüse schälen und schneiden, ja das kann er. Seht ihn euch an, Geschwindigkeit der Hammer. Fertigmeister, klar Langer, alles in kleinen Stücken.
Needless to say, it became an instant classic among us, and continues to be an inside joke among us today. So let's do it. Let's make some Gemüseeintopf, beach barbecue style. Greensandmachines.com. Our journey begins at the Orange Coast College swap meet. This is a great place to buy vegetables and is conveniently on the way to the beach. What are we gonna get? We got some squash, some potatoes, a sweet potato, some cilantro. Oh my gosh, that smells good. And some broccoli, and also some carrots and a lime.
Satisfying.
Then at the beach, detach the Dutch oven from your bike, rinse up the vegetables, drain the water, then fill up some water to cook the vegetables in. Oh, almost forgot to rinse the fresh greens. And we're ready to go. So let's get the fire started, taking care not to light the cutting board on fire. While the fire's getting ready, we can start chopping up the vegetables. The idea here is to put in all the stuff that takes the longest to cook first, so we're adding the sweet potato, the carrots, and the squash first. Now we're ready to add the water. Oh man, that looks so HD. Then very carefully putting the pot stand in the fire because I forgot my welding gloves. And we're ready to start cooking. After some time has passed and it's well a-boiling, we can add the potatoes and stir it up. Now, I don't like to put a lot of water in my soup. I don't understand the reason why soup has so much water in it. I feel like it's a rip-off. But in this case, since we're on a fire pit, we don't want it to overboil and start extinguishing the fire. So if it does start to overboil, just remove it from the heat temporarily, and then once it's settled down, you can put it back on. I think we're ready to add the broccoli now. Stems, florets, and all that. And then more stirring to ensure even heating. Once everything is well mushy enough to be considered soup, we're ready to take it off the heat. And at this point we add the cilantro, and then close the lid to let the steam do its work. After a bit of time, we stir it up, and it's ready to serve. Oh, and can't forget the lime. Check out this sweet knife I made. I found this in the street. It was missing a handle, so I made one for it. You can check out the details of that build on greensandmachines.com. It's amazing how much difference just adding cilantro and lime makes to this. This takes it from like hobo food to like 5-star dining. How does that taste, Der Kommissar? So, thanks for watching. As always, I'm DJ Petesake, aka Diecaster D. You can check me out on my personal channel, Squashy Grapefruit, and always, greensandmachines.com. Subscribe for more bicycle barbecue recipes and vegan propaganda and grapefruit squashiness.